Let me take this opportunity to present you with the topics of coverage in this course, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Linux Basics. So we'll be starting off with what is a cloud and what is an on-premises. To make the understanding better, I'll be taking a real life analogy so that the understanding is better. And post that, we'll be looking at what is a cloud, its characteristics, getting access to the cloud infrastructure, which is of course the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, what are the steps involved and how to get access to that. Post this, I'll be discussing about the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure key terminology, and then we'll be diving deep. So by this time you should have access to the Oracle Cloud. So we'll be start creating the Oracle Linux virtual machine on the cloud and how to access them from the client. Client meaning like from your desktop or laptop Windows machine. So I'll be providing with a step-by-step demonstration of creation of Linux instance and accessing from remote, that is from your laptop or desktop via PuTTY. And in case if you are new to Linux, then I'll be discussing about wide range of commonly used Linux commands, that is the operating system commands you'll be using in Linux Unix. I'll be discussing that elaborately. Post this, we'll be looking at how to enable a GUI environment in the instance, that is the Oracle Linux instance. The reason being, some of the applications will require a GUI, that is the graphical user interface, because you might require a browser to access something. So that is only available in a GUI environment. So we'll be looking at how to enable a Linux GUI environment and how to access them. That will be through the VNC. So we'll be using Tiger VNC. So I'll be demonstrating on that. And post this, we'll be looking at how to install a Jupyter notebook. So that is where I said Jupyter notebooks are accessed through the browser. So you need a GUI environment. So I'll be taking you through the steps of installing Jupyter notebook on the Oracle Linux virtual machine. I'll be also taking you through the Oracle eBusiness demo instance installation on the Oracle Linux environment. So that's about the course coverage. Thank you.